So let's see this GATE EC 2022 question. The question is asking, select the Boolean functions equivalent to x or yz, where x, y, z, these are Boolean variables. This plus, this is the logical or, okay, and some options are given to you. This is MSQ questions, means multiple options can be correct. Okay, so let's solve this question. So the expression that is given to you, that is x or yz, and the question is asking which of these expression is equivalent to x or yz. Okay, which Boolean function is equivalent to x or yz. So let's see each option one by one. Let's see the first option, that is option A. Option A is saying x or z or xy. Now you know that this expression we can write like this, x or xy or z, right? Yes or no? Okay, so this expression we can write this expression like this. This is x or xy or z. Now, what is this x or xy? What is this x or xy? See, we already know that if you have A or AB, if you have A or B, AB, that is same as A. This is called absorption property. Okay, this is called absorption law. This is called absorption law. Okay, so what we can do here, this x or xy, we can simply write it x. This will become x or z. Now you can see this x or z, this is definitely not equivalent to the given expression. The given expression was x or yz. Yes or no? This expression is definitely not equivalent to x or yz. Okay, so these are different. So I can simply say option A is not correct. Okay, what we can say? We can say option A, that is not correct. What about option B? Option B is x or y, x or z. What is option B? Option B is saying that x or y, x or z. Okay, see, this is the distributive property. If you notice, we know this distributive property x or y, z. What we can apply? We can apply the distributive property. What we will get? We will get x or y and x or z. Okay, so if you notice, this is actually the distributive property. This property, what we call it? This is called distributive law. This is called distributive law. Okay, so very simple. So you can see this expression, this is equivalent to x or y, z. So I can say option B is correct. Option B, that is correct. Or what you can do, you can multiply. Okay, what you can do, you can multiply basically. Okay, what you can do, so you can see x and x, that will become x and x. Or basically we are applying the distributive property. Remember what we are doing, we are applying the distributive property. So this will become x and x, this will become x and z. Okay, what it will become, it will become y and x, it will become y and x, and finally what it will become, it will become yz. Okay, yes or no? Now you can see xx, that is same as x. Okay, or xz or xy or yz or yz. Okay, now what you can do, again you can apply the absorption law. Okay, you can apply the absorption law. We know that x or xy, that is same as x. Basically alpha or alpha beta, that is same as alpha. This is called absorption law. You can apply the absorption law and this will become x, and there is yz. Okay, so what we got? We got x or yz. So you can see option B, that is equivalent to x or yz. So this is correct. Option B is correct. What about option C? Option C is saying x or xy or yz. Okay, what option C is saying? Option C, what that is saying? X or xy, x or xy or yz or yz. Now again what you can do, you can apply the absorption law. X or xy, that will become x. Okay, that will become x. Remember, this absorption law is very useful. Okay, A or AB, that is same as A. This is absorption law. This is our absorption law. Okay, so you can see this is very useful. Finally, what we got? We got x or yz. So I can say option C is also correct. Option C, that is also correct. What about option D? Option D is saying x or xz or xy. X or xz or xy. Okay, option D is saying x or xz or xy. Okay, so here what you can do, you can apply the absorption law. This will become x, right? Yes or no? X or xz, this will become x, this will become x, and there is or xy. Now again what you can do, again you can apply the absorption law. Again you can apply the absorption law. So this will become x. So this absorption law we are applying, A or AB, that is equal to A. So you can apply this absorption law, and finally what it will become, x or xz, that will become x. Okay, x or xy, that will become x. So finally you got x, and this is not equivalent to x or yz. So I can say option D, that is also not correct. So finally what is the answer? Tell me what are the answer for this question. This is MSQ question. So for this question, which expressions are equivalent to x or yz? The answer will be option B, C. Okay, very simple.